Hi friends, welcome back. This is a very exciting day for us as we finally received our container. We had sold our home back in Canada about a year ago and packed up our entire home and placed it in a shipping container. And when we left Canada to come to Portugal, we sent all the paperwork in to have the container shipped over. This has been such a long process, and we haven't had all of our stuff from our house for over a year. So we are so excited that it has finally arrived. This container has made it all around the world. It started in Toronto, Canada. They put it on a train and sent it to the East Coast. And from the East Coast, Canada, it has been on a boat and we have been tracking it. It has gone to Belgium, it went to mainland Portugal, and now it is here on the island. So we are so excited to finally have all of our belongings. The kids and I are so excited that we finally get to have the things that we missed the most. Some of the comforts of home, from home, if you will. We had a little bit of difficulty opening it because the container had been on a ship for so long at sea that the locks that we had originally put on the container had salted and rusted, and we weren't able to get them off with the keys. So my husband had to use a grinder and cut the locks off. Also, you'll notice at the bottom of the container when it first arrived, there was a yellow lock or tag. I'm not sure what you call it, but that was from customs clearing our container. So we were able to open it and not have a customs agent on site, which is usually the case when you have such a big container coming from another country. We had to provide to that company a inventory list of everything that was in it, and we also had to provide documents stating that we were homeowners and we had a house that we had sold before shipping this container. There was a lot of paperwork, and if you'd like more information, please message down below and I will contact you and let you know the full process that we went through. But we are just so happy that we have everything here at our home and we can finally set up our house with the things that a little bit of Canada that we brought with us. Also, this container had arrived in mainland Portugal 2 days before Christmas, so we did not actually receive this container until well after New Year's, which was fine because there wasn't anything that we absolutely needed, but it's really nice to have the comforts of home, like our beds and the kids' bikes and our electronics and other things that we had packed in here. Also, the kids were really excited because we got them new bed sets and we had put them in the container. So they are over the moon that they finally get their Sonic and Minecraft bedding. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like it. And if you need more information on shipping items like a container or barrels to Portugal, just comment below and I can contact you and let you know the full process of how we did it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I see the creeper. Steven, I see a puppy. Creeper. Who's are these? Creeper. Who's are these? Creeper. Creeper. A Sonic. He's a bed set.
Okay, you can keep these in your room.
Oh, what? These are curtains?
I can't get everything right now.
Go, Sonic!